Hello everyone, welcome back to Placement Buddies. Let me welcome you all to another lecture of this industrial instrumentation playlist, and today we will be going through thermocouple, right? Okay, so this is the diagram of a thermocouple. Basically we can see a thermocouple is basically a combination of two type of metals. Okay, they are put together in a junction and they are connected to an external circuit. Okay, now this thermocouple is a temperature measuring device which is based on the principle of Seebeck effect, Peltier effect and Thomson effect. Now we have to understand what is Seebeck effect, Peltier effect and Thomson effect respectively, right? So what is Seebeck effect? Seebeck effect says that when two dissimilar metals are joined together, like that of metal A plus and metal A minus, okay, let it be metal B. So metal A and metal B, two dissimilar metals, when they are joined together, an EMF will exist between the 2 points A and B. As you can see, there is an EMF existing between 2 points A and B, right? This EMF will be a function of the junction temperature T. Okay, so this is all about the Seebeck effect. Now let us see what is the Peltier effect. Peltier effect says that if the two different materials are connected in such a way that a current is drawn, अगर हम इन दोनों मटेरियल्स को कनेक्ट करके इस लूप से करंट ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं, देन द EMF which was generated on account of Seebeck effect, then Seebeck effect की वजह से जो EMF generate हुई थी, that EMF will be altered. Okay, now let us see what is Thomson effect. Thomson effect says that if any temperature gradient exists along either of the both of the materials, the junction may undergo an additional small alteration. अगर इन दोनों में से किसी मटेरियल की along टेम्परेचर ग्रेडियंट एग्जिस्ट करता है, देन ये वाला जो जंक्शन है इट विल अंडरगो ए स्मॉल चेंज. ठीक है, सो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दिस थ्री इफेक्ट्स थर्मोकपल इज मेड, राइट? ओके, नाउ वी हैव टू लुक इनटू सम थर्मो इलेक्ट्रिक लॉज. ओके, जिन लॉज को थर्मोकपल फॉलो करता है. ओके, द फर्स्ट वन इज लॉ ऑफ इंटरमीडिएट टेम्परेचर. लॉ ऑफ इंटरमीडिएट टेम्परेचर क्या कहता है? लॉ ऑफ इंटरमीडिएट टेम्परेचर कहता है कि एक थर्मोकपल को T1 और T2 टेम्परेचर के बीच रखने से जो EMF जनरेट होता है E1, और उसी थर्मोकपल को T2 और T3 के बीच रखने की वजह से जो EMF जनरेट होता है E2, अगर उसको T1 और T3 टेम्परेचर के बीच में हम रख देते हैं, then the EMF generated will be E3 and that E3 will be E1 plus E2. So this is the simple explanation of law of intermediate temperature, right? The next law is law of intermediate metals. The law of intermediate metal states in a circuit which consists of two dissimilar homogeneous metals, okay, A and B, having the junctions at different temperatures, the EMF E so developed will not be affected if a third metal be made a part of the circuit, provided the temperatures of the two junctions are same. Okay, दो dissimilar metals को connect करने के वजह से जो EMF generate हुआ है, that EMF will not be affected by the inclusion of a third metal, जिसको introduce करने के वजह से junction J3 और J4 create हुआ है. Okay, लेकिन इसमें भी एक condition है कि temperature at junction J3 needs to be equal to the temperature at junction J4. Okay, now this is the most important slide in this video, guys. This question is asked almost in every instrumentation interview. Like if you are familiar with thermocouple, then the interviewer will must ask you what are the types of thermocouple, what are the thermocouple materials, or the range of, you know, different type of thermocouples. Okay, so basically there are 6 type of thermocouples: T, J, K, E, S, R. Okay, now the T type of thermocouple is made out of copper constantan and the temperature range is -180 degree to +400 degree C. The J type of thermocouple is made of iron constantan and the temperature range is -180 degree to +850. The K type of thermocouple is made of chromel alumel and temperature range है -200 to +1300. Okay, E type is made of chromel constantan -180 to +850 तक ये मेज़र कर सकता है. S टाइप ऑफ थर्मोकपल इज मेड अप ऑफ प्लेटिनम प्लेटिनम और 10% रोडियम, ये 0 से 1400 डिग्री सी तक मेजर कर सकता है. R टाइप ऑफ थर्मोकपल इज मेड आउट ऑफ प्लेटिनम प्लेटिनम और 13% रोडियम एंड ये 0 से 1600 डिग्री सी तक मेजर कर सकता है. ओके, सो एज यू कैन सी द मेजरिंग रेंज ऑफ अ थर्मोकपल इज वेरी वाइड. ओके, so it will definitely come under the advantages of thermocouple. Now this is basically the series connection of thermocouples. This is a thermocouple. इन दोनों metals के बीच EMF है E1, the next EMF is E2, the next EMF is E3. अभी अगर सारे thermocouples को हम series में लगाएंगे then the effective EMF will be the summation of all the individual EMFs, like E will be equals to E1 plus E2 plus E3, right? अगर और thermocouples हम बढ़ाएंगे then it will go on like E1 plus E2 plus E3 plus dot 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 En, right? Okay, this is a thermopile. Thermopile is the case of the series connection of thermocouples where the EMF produced by all the individual thermocouples is the same. मतलब E1 equals to E2 equals to E3 equals to dot 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 En. Okay, now let us look into the parallel connection of thermocouples. अगर हम thermocouple को parallel लगाएंगे then the total EMF generated will be individual EMFs का sum divided by the number of EMF. जैसे कि यहाँ पे 3 है, so E1 plus E2 plus E3 divided by 3, right? Now let us quickly look into the advantages of thermocouple. Thermocouple is self-powered. It is an active device. ये अपने आप ही पावर जनरेट करके खुद ही को चलाता है, अनलाइक थर्मिस्टर और RTD which were passive devices, right? कंस्ट्रक्शन बड़ा ही सिंपल है थर्मोकपल का. ये रजड है, ये फ्रेजाइल नहीं है, मतलब इजीली टूटता नहीं है थर्मोकपल. ओके, इट इज़ इकोनॉमिकल एंड वेरी लेस एक्सपेंसिव एज वेल, एंड as you have seen already the temperature range is very wide. Now we will look into the disadvantages. It is non-linear. Thermocouple का linearity RTD से कम है, right? Sensitivity is low. Thermocouple का sensitivity is lower than that of thermistor. Okay? It needs a reference. इसको एक reference चाहिए होता है, right? Stability. Thermocouple is less stable as compared to other temperature sensors. Okay, so these were the disadvantages of thermocouple. Now we will look into the radiation pyrometer, which was another important temperature sensor to be considered, right? So जो radiation pyrometer है, they measure the temperature according to Stephens-Boltzmann law. Stephens-Boltzmann law का mathematical formation is Q equals to epsilon sigma T to the power 4, right? Where sigma is the Stephens-Boltzmann constant. इसका वैल्यू भी दिया हुआ है. T is the absolute temperature, epsilon is the emissivity, and Q is the heat radiated by the gray body. Okay, this type of device, a radiation pyrometer, is used for high temperature measurement. Okay, so that is it for today guys. मिलेंगे अगले लेक्चर पे. Bye.